How to remove collaborators from GitHub project. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove the GitHub collaborators from your project. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your GitHub, search for github.com and open it up. Once you open up your GitHub, just make sure to log into your account. I'm already logged in. And if you have created any repositories, it will show up right here. If you don't see it on the left side of your screen, you just have to tap on the three lines and you'll be able to see all of your repos right here. So here I've got my repository. So I'm going to click on it to go to my repo. And now you'll have to find the settings for this particular repository. So I'm going to find the settings menu right here on top. Once landed on the settings page, under access, you'll find the collaborators on the left-hand side of your screen. And once you click on it, just scroll down all the way, and here under manage access, you'll have the collaborators that are inside this repository. So what I'm going to do is just click on this delete icon. If they are already on the repository, if they have accepted the invite, you can delete them right here. Or if you've sent them any invitation, you can cancel the invitation from right here as well. And as you can see here, all of the people have, and all of the collaborators have been removed from this particular repository. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.